Doctors of government hospitals observed a 2 hours pen down strike to press their demands. In fact, these demands are long pending. I'm Parveen Arora from The Tribune. We have joined by District President Dr. Sandeep Abdol to know more about their demand. So what are the demands?
Our demands are more concerned with the welfare of the patients of our district. As you all know that a lot of people come to the civil hospital and various hospitals. They want to get specialist services. So our first demand is that there should be creation of a specialist cadre in Haryana so that all the hospitals have at least 4 to 5 specialists. The second demand regarding the direct SMO automatically gets cancelled. Once we have a direct recruitment of specialists and specialist cadre, then there will be no need of direct SMO promotions. And there are a lot of doctors who are quite experienced with 22 to 24 years of service who have not been given a promotion. So if they are given a promotion, our all SMO posts will be filled. Thirdly, our young doctors who have 2 years, 3 years of service, who have a long career ahead of them, they have to give 2 crore rupees bond before going for post-graduation. So we requested the government that bond amount should be reduced to just 50 lakhs with post-dated checks, so that any poor doctor who comes to the government service and is not able to give that bond of 2 crore, with 50 lakhs he is bound also. And the association is always with the government and our directorate that no person who has done PG should leave before that bonded period of 7 years. Lastly, I would inform you and the public that government has already advertised specialist doctors in different districts at 1.5 lakhs. But in most of the districts, hardly 1 or 2 doctors have joined. And we would request the government that if they are ready to pay 1,50,000 to specialists, even they have extended this to 2 lakh rupees. That they are ready to pay 2 lakh rupees for different districts, then why not the regular cadre should be given a better pay scale? Why not a 4th ACP is given? Why not other allowances like a conveyance allowance, like a mobile allowance, computer allowance? These allowances, if added, so our specialists will not only be retained, we'll have a better quality of service in our civil hospital. We would like that government's flagship program, Ayushman Bharat. It requires a lot of specialists to stay in OPDs, in OTs. If we have specialists, only then these schemes can be implemented successfully at government hospitals.
So it's a Monday and it's a heavy rush day of the patient in hospital, and your strike have affected a lot of them. They have suffered a lot of difficulties here. What are the steps are being taken to address their grievances?
All the doctors of civil hospital and other hospitals, we have decided that even if we have to work beyond our OPD hours, that is beyond 2 o'clock, or at our PHC, CHC beyond 4 o'clock, none of the patients will be sent back without consultation. None of the patients will be sent back without medicines. And our emergency services, our post-mortem services, our MLR services, our labour room services, our OT services, all emergency services are fully functional. No patient is suffering due to that.
So this is Dr. Abdol who said that they are demanding, they are pressing their demands for the last few years, but the government is not accepting their demand, forcing them to go on strike. They threaten that if their demands are not met by 25th July, they will go on indefinite strike. However, the patients have to suffer a lot of due to their strike, but they are sure that they will see all the patients who are in their OPD even after the OPD timing.
कहाँ से आए हो?
लेवल से।
डॉक्टर नहीं मिले आज? क्या बोल रहे हैं?
अरे अभी मीटिंग में जा रहे हैं।
कब तक आएंगे बताया कुछ?
अभी कुछ नहीं बताया।
नाम क्या था आपने अपना?
मेरा रामदेवी है।
रामोदेवी?
रामदेवी।
रामदेवी। कितने देर से बैठे हो?
आधा घंटा हो गया बैठे।
मेरा नाम प्रवेश कुमार।
इलाज के लिए आए थे?
हाँ, लड़के के कान में दिक्कत है और मेरी आंखों में दिक्कत है।
डॉक्टर नहीं मिले?
पर्ची काट दी है काउंटर पे, वो बोल रहे हैं कि सभी डॉक्टर हड़ताल पे हैं।
कब तक
स्ट्राइक खुलती है तो आ जाइए, नहीं तो नहीं।